Have you ever wondered, what's the real difference between a motor and an engine? People use these words interchangeably, but they're not the same. Let's break it down in the simplest way.
Both motors and engines convert energy into motion, but the type of energy they use makes all the difference.
An engine is a machine that burns fuel, like petrol or diesel, to create power. Inside an engine, fuel mixes with air, burns, and pushes pistons. That movement then turns the wheels or drives a machine. So in short, engine equals fuel plus combustion equals motion. A motor, on the other hand, uses electricity. Electric current flows through coils, creates a magnetic field, and makes the motor spin. So, motor equals electricity plus magnetism equals motion.
The biggest difference is simple. Engines run on fuel, motors run on electricity. That one detail changes everything about how they work. Engines have many moving parts: pistons, valves, spark plugs, fuel injectors. Motors are much simpler, usually just a rotor and a stator. Fewer parts means motors are easier to maintain and often last longer.
Electric motors are highly efficient. They convert most of the energy they receive directly into motion. Engines waste a lot of energy as heat, making them less efficient. Engines produce exhaust gases because they burn fuel. Motors produce zero emissions at the device level. No smoke, no fumes.
Electric motors have a big advantage: instant torque. They give full power from the moment they start. Engines need to rev up before reaching peak power. Motors are in fans, washing machines, electric scooters, elevators, basically anything that plugs in. Engines are in cars, trucks, motorcycles, generators, and lawnmowers.
If it burns fuel, it's an engine. If it uses electricity, it's a motor. So the difference is clear. Engines burn fuel and are more complex. Motors use electricity, are simpler, cleaner, and more efficient. Now you'll always know which is which.
If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple science breakdowns. Tell us in the comments, what topic should we explain next?